Hello and welcome to another video tutorial for JoomlaLMS, Joomla Learning Management System. In this lesson, I want to show you how to configure the appearance on the front end. So once you log into your dashboard, you click on Configuration. For the drop down, you click on Appearance, and you're going to get this page. Now this gives you the ability for you to customize a little bit more, and as I mentioned before, the JoomlaLMS gives you so much flexibility in terms of allowing you to design and customize certain things about your store the way that you want it to look. Now some of this just some of the basic stuff here, they may not make as much sense, but I just want to cover it. When we start to work on the front end of it, you're going to see how all those things apply. But I wanted to give you a back end overview first, so that when we're working on the front end of it, it starts to make sense a little bit more. So right here, I have to show the top menu. JoomlaLMS has its own menu system. Joomla has its own menu system, and JoomlaLMS has its own menu system. So if you want to use the JoomlaLMS system here, you can set this to yes, but if not, you set to no. And in this case, what you're going to do is you're going to create Joomla menus and then just connect the pages with the courses page from here. Once again, if that doesn't make sense, when I start working the front end, you're going to see what I was talking about. And then for the top menu style, you have different pixels here, 16 by 16 up to 32 by 32. And do you want to show course selection box? This set to yes by default. And for the score, do you want to show progress? Now, one thing that is really good to do is you want to show the status of how your students are doing. So when they log into their dashboard, they have a really good idea of how things are going and where they are. And you can show here by percentage for the quiz. You can show by points, by completion, incompletion, pass, and fail. So you can always change these here. You can change from points received. You can change the percentage, and you can change the different options. And this is where you have the meta description. So the meta description is really great for SEO purposes, because this allows you to change the information that you want SEO to be able to connect with the site. So the search engines, but also for people, if they're looking for something about your particular courses, then you want to put those here. In the meta keywords, you want to put those here as well. Now, Google doesn't really put much emphasis on keywords anymore, but it's always good just to have some keywords on here. And then you have the homepage configuration for the participants. So do you want to show course list module? You have the option to show the course list. Do you want to expand categories by default? What that means is that when the categories, by default, if it's expanded, it's going to expand and show all the particular courses that are in that category. It's going to drop down. But if you set this to no, then it won't do that. You would have to click to be able to see the other categories, and then show all courses link. Of course, you want to be able to show this so people can know where the courses are and all the courses that you're offering. You want to show announcement. If you have an announcement that you want people to know, you can set this to yes. Show homework, Dropbox, mailbox, certificates, and the number of items in the module that you want to be able to shows you there. And when you scroll to the bottom here, this is where you can be able to put in the text about your courses. You can put in, welcome to my courses, or whatever it is that you want to put here. So as you can see, you can pretty much type anything here. It's really easy. The editor that is using is the JC editor, one of the best editors that Joomla has to offer. So if you've ever used Microsoft Word document before, then this is something just like it. And this is a key part too here for the guests. You want to create something that is going to attract your guests, so they can come here and they can put in their information. You can type some things here for them, like sign up now to get full access to this course, or whatever you want to put there, just to kind of tease them a little bit so they can sign up to it. And so as you can see, the top menu part of it gives you a lot of flexibility, a lot of control, and gives you so much more feature. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button at the bottom, so anytime that I release a new video like this one, you're going to be the first person to get access to it.